Good morning to all of you. In class 10, in previous lesson, we covered the different attributes of body tag. Now today we will see font tag, which we use within body tag. Font tag. Font tag is used to change the appearance of the text, change the appearance of the textual contents. Now, how we can use font tag? We write font, then contents, and we end with font tag. It is a container element. That means it can have start tag also and end tag also. Font start and font end. Now, what are the different attributes of font tag which we use with font tag? Size. First one is size, then face, then color. COLOR. How you write this? The syntax will be like font 1 space size is equal to 4, right? Then again 1 space face is equal to name of the font. Here it is written Arial. You can take Times New Roman also. You can take here other name also, Vardhana or anyone. Now you should be careful about if it is having only one word, then you can put double quote or not. But if the name contains more than one word, then always it is must to keep that contents within double quote. Then 1 space color is equal to green, red, any color, or color code also you can give. Then tag close, not tag close, angular bracket close. Then write the contents in within and then end with font tag. So font start with the other attributes and font end, and in within contents. That is how we can use font tag. Now one more case is that here we have defined font size 4 and face Arial, one font only, but it may happen that we can include more than one font also here. And what is the purpose of using that syntax? See here, in exception case we can also use it as font 1 space face is equal to. Now this face is for assigning different font types. So here we not write type, but instead of type we write face. So must remember this face, font face value, right? So instead of writing type, write just face. Font face is equal to Broadway. Here it is double quote given. Broadway, this is one of the font name, comma, Arial, comma, impact, double quote end. That means we are saying to the browser that use the font face Broadway first. Means the preferable font is Broadway, but if that Broadway is not found on the server, then go with Arial, display it with Arial. And if Arial is also not there, maybe there is a possibility of Arial also. If it will be not there, then just show it as impact font. So this also we can use. So in your exams it may be asked that it will be given one line of code, font face is equal to Broadway, comma, Arial, comma, impact, double quote end, bracket end, angular bracket, and then it will be asked that what is the meaning of this whole code. Then you just write down what is the meaning of it. We are saying that first show it in Broadway. If it is Broadway is there in the server, then no problem. If it is not there, then show it in Arial or in impact, right? So this is the font tag. Now the next is horizontal rule tag, HR tag, that is horizontal rule tag. Now HR is an empty element, just like BR. HR is also an empty element which contains nothing, but still it gives us output. It draws one horizontal line from left to right, where this is from left to right is width and this thickness is size. Just remember this. This thickness of this horizontal rule thickness, top to bottom, is represented by size. Size does not mean key length. No, size means here width or breadth, thickness. And width means actually its length. So keep remember this. And students get confused over here. So please remember this. This is horizontal rule, an example of figure of horizontal rule. Now the different attributes which we can use with this horizontal rule are size, which is left to right, size means width of the line, width, length of the line, color of the line, horizontal rule, and no shade. Means by default it gives you shade. One shade will be there, appears, but no shade means it will not show you that shade, shadow with that horizontal rule, that is no shade. So it may be asked that name one attribute which contains no value. So no shade can be the answer. Then syntax will be HR space size is equal to 10 in pixel. Width is equal to 70%. Also we can give this width in percent also and in pixel also. Now 70% means 70% of the page. It will be less, 30% less than its whole page dimension from left to right. And color is equal to blue. The line of the color of the horizontal rule will be appear blue. No, by default HR contains one shade, and with no shade attribute we can exclude the shade, hide the shade. Now next is very important one. Generally it is mostly it is asked in your board exams also about comment tag. So here it is comment tag, and this is comment tag. It starts with angular bracket, exclamation symbol, 2 dash, then whatever comments you want to give you can give here, you can write here, comments comes here, and then double dash and angular bracket close. This is actually comment tag is, right? We start with angular, after angular bracket we give one exclamation mark. Now what is comment actually, and why it is, where it is used and why it is used? Comment, as the name is, comment is for giving comment. For giving comment, that means when you are developing web page, so in the page only, in your raw file only where you are writing code, there only for your reference as a developer, as a designer, as a coder, for your reference or your colleague's reference, we write some comments in within the code. That comments browser will not going to render, display on internet. Any browser will not render that comment. That hides the comment. Whatever you will write, it will hide the comment. So that is only for our reference as a developer. That comment is for, and this comment we are using here in HTML markup language, but this comment is also used in some other programming language also, right? Within forward slash we write, within double forward slash multi-line comment, single line comment, or within angular bracket also we can write in C, Java, all the other programming language. This comment is important. So here also this comment tag is very important for us to know about. We give some information to our colleagues about, right? That is comment known as. Syntax is, see here, syntax is within body tag we write comments. Within body tag, see, within body tag we write comments, and the syntax of the comment will be we start the comment with angular bracket, then exclamation mark, double dash, whatever contents you want to write down, and then double slash, angular bracket close. This is completed in one line, so this is one line comment. If we want to give multi-line comment, we can give multi-line comment also. And how we can give multi-line comments? Again, like that only, exclamation, angular bracket, exclamation mark, double dash, and then write down the comment in multiple line, and then again double dash and put angular bracket. This is multi-line comment, and this is single line comment. Today this much only, and now just sit calmly, meditate for a while, and start revising what you studied. So thank you to all of you.